Alright, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to be installing a 3.5-inch leveling kit in the front and a 3-inch lift kit in the back, the leveling kit in the back of my 2004 Ford F350 dually with a 6.0, blah blah blah, that kind of stuff. All that counts, all that matters is suspension, and this is applicable to 99 to 04 Ford F250, 350, anything with leaf springs, it's going to be the same. But I already got the truck jacked up, and I got this whole kit laid out in front right here. The kit I ordered was Wulf suspensions, 3.5 in the front, 3 in the rear. Comes with your instructions, thank you thing with QR code, 10% off extra, and your next purchase, an air freshener, a sticker right there, and then we'll get to the parts now. So it comes with your front U-bolts, your rear U-bolts. These are for the front. I guess you can you have the option, if you don't like how much lift you have up front, you can remove one of these. You get the through bolt for the entire leaf spring set up on the front. You get your hardware for the front. Comes with U-bolt hardware. Maybe that's for the rear. That's for the rear. And you get your fronts. Yeah, they come with little bolts for these guys. Tapered blocks for the rear. You stack them on top of your blocks that you already have. That's pretty much it for parts they give you. I also forgot these are spacers for like your track bar mount. But yeah, here's your instructions. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory what you need to do. You know, raise the front, have it on a leveled surface, chalk the wheels. Yeah, remove your wheels, remove your U-bolts, blah blah blah. Drop the suspension and install new parts. Remove this guy and put it back together with that guy. So I'm not gonna bother you with more talking. Let's get right to it. I'm gonna go ahead, get my impact, take these wheels off, start taking off these U-bolts. I might not get to the rear today, but I'll make it one complete video, so let's get started. So when I'm doing something on an axle like this, I usually like to do one side at a time. So I keep a jack under this, undo these bolts, drop it a little bit, and then either stick those blocks in there, or you probably got to cut the bolt in there off and that kind of stuff. So let me get to taking these U-bolts off. Safety first. That was like really sketchy, but that's how you do it. So I had to, in order to fit this whole stack with the stud out here, I had to pry up on these leaves, and I had to like stand on this rotor and this adapter, this dually adapter in the rotor, and try to get the axle to go down, since that side already has well, it has the leaves and everything, and the U-bolts like all intact. This side kind of like bounces up and down when you try to push it, but I had to stand on it to get it to space out enough so these would fit in there. But I got it in no problem ish, without being too sketchy. Alright, so this is what it should look like when you're done putting that together. Basically, you do everything the same way on the other side. It is a little bit different though, because that bottom bracket that the U-bolts go through is welded to the axle, so you're not gonna have like the sway bar drop down or anything like that, but it should be just as easy. Alright guys, so it's dark outside, but I finally got this finished. I had company over, so I stopped filming for a little bit, but I had trouble lining this side, this passenger side of the axle up with the leaf spring, and it ended up being this track bar. So I had to loosen up this track bar bracket and put these spacers in. And then actually I left it loose and was able to just swing it over. But it ended up all lining up. I wasn't able to line up the hole in there, but finally just loosened the track bar up, swung it over. Now it lines up fine. It looks pretty good height wise. I don't think I'm going to install the rear blocks because it's going to be way too much in the rear. I might just get some airbags, something like that. But I'm definitely going to need to get some bigger tires, maybe even bigger wheels, semi wheels or something like that. Overall, it's pretty easy. Didn't stress too much about it. Next thing I'm probably gonna do is I'm probably gonna get these quad shock kit, so I can put 2 shocks on each side. But yeah, it sits pretty nice. Give it a little bit of a higher look. I'm satisfied. I think that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I appreciate everyone who watched this video all the way through. I hope I helped someone out. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.